Today, I'll show you how to blur a part of the video using CapCut on your PC. Let's get started. Place your video or image into your timeline. Right-click on the image and select Copy. Left-click on the space above the image layer and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Select the clip above and go to the Effect tab. Search for the blur effect. Drag and drop the blur effect on top of your image. Adjust the blur area by selecting and dragging it to the left or right side. Select the image and go to the Mask tab. Click on the rectangle mask. Adjust the blur area according to your needs. That's it. You've successfully blurred part of a video. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.